Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to dive into how to get more orders on Grubhub in 2025. It's easy and simple. Let's get started. First, ensure your profile is fully completed. This means using high quality photos of your dishes, detailed descriptions, and accurate business information. Keep it fresh by updating your menu regularly with unique and popular items. Next, highlight any special ingredients and preparation methods you offer. Customers love knowing what makes your food stands out. Now let's talk about Grubhub's promotional tools. Use this feature to run special offers and promotions to attract more customers. You can also ask satisfied customers to leave positive reviews. This will help boost your visibility and credibility on the platform. And here's a great tip. Create special deals or discounts. This can encourage first-time customers to order from you, and it will also entice them to come back for repeat orders. And that's all for today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated with more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, as always.